Oh, it's a bird.
Where? Oh, right here.
That is a bird?
Daddy, yes. What is Daddy?
Trees.
Yes. Trees go down and fly away and go up and down, and the house will get up.
Look at the bird.
I can't see it.
Wind's created by heat up in the atmosphere. Causes bursts. Kind of like little tiny explosions that cause the wind to move.
There's more, Daddy.
Yeah, come on. Be careful.
I want to touch your hand.
Want to hold my hand?
Yes. What's that?
Yeah, look.
Yes. My Daddy, my eyes.
Show me the eyes.
The eyes are red.
There's dirt in the eye.
Yes.
You okay?
Yes, the wind.
Yeah, it's strong.
What's that?
Hmm?
What's that?
It's a letter.
Leather?
Yeah?
Is it leather?
It's a bill.
A bill for
Yeah.
leather?
Yeah, I gotta put the bill. Gotta pay the bill.
This one is car. That was a car.
Hmm?
This one is car.
You want a car?
That was car.
I want to pick you up? Yes?
Ow!
You okay?
Yes. And mommy come out this one. And mommy come out this one. And he stayed back on the way.
Yeah?
Oh, I hate this though. I get a worm. And they'll fly away.
Yeah.
They'll fly away.
Yeah, fly away.
Yeah. This one. They'll fly away that one. And they'll fly away the moon. And the birds that catch it like that, they catch it like that.
Yeah?
Yes. And they eat it.
And they eat it.
Yes. A bird can eat it.
The bird's gonna eat it.
Yes.
Oh man.
You have to get a bird.
And the bird,
Yeah, you have to get the bird.
I have to get it.
Yeah.
What does a bird eat?
Bird is good.
What does he eat?
He eat a paper. This one.
He eats the paper.
This. He play away with
Fly
that.
away.
And he's got shade of gray. And
Yeah.
he's got shade violet.
Oh no. We're almost there?
Yes.
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 We're almost at the mailbox.
Let's go in here.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
You down?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, we found it.
There it is.
Found it, Daddy. We found it.
You found it.
Found it, Daddy.
You did it, baby.
Right here?
No, up here. Ready? Throw it in there. Good job. High five, dude. Okay, pound it. Explode. Ready? Do it again. Do it again. Pound it. No, pound it. Pound it. Explode. Love you.